Where does the name for Liverpool come from? So today we're in Liverpool. It's a city on the banks of the River Mersey in the historical county of Lancashire. Let's get into the name.
There are multiple possible origins for the name of Liverpool. It's made of two parts. Firstly, liver, or in older forms, liwer, most likely from Old English lifer, and pool, from Old English pol, a pool or inlet.
But what do they mean by a Liverpool?
Well, a liver here is the organ, so regularly abused on Matthew Street. In Old English, lifer meant the organ, but could also mean something that was brown and gooey, for example in the adjective lifery, meaning something brown and clotted. The pool in question supposedly refers to an inlet that flowed down from streams along Paradise Street and Whitechapel to come out near the docks. The name was first recorded in 1180 as Liverpool, but by the 1340s in Middle English had become Liverpool.
Now the Welsh name for the city was borrowed from Middle English and kept the original pronunciation of the city, Lerpwl.
There are theories about the name having a Brythonic origin, but I'm not convinced. One of those theories is Llynllaviaid, the lake of streams, but I can't find any use before 1800, and I can't find a lake, which makes me doubt its historical authenticity. Another is Llyfpwll, from Llyf meaning a flood or flow, and Pwll meaning a pool, but the word order is incorrect and I can't find any old references to it. There are, however, place names around Liverpool that indicate a continued use of a Brythonic language like Welsh, such as Wallasey, Welsh Island, and Walton, Welsh settlement. There are also some other theories that come from Old English, such as Elferpol, eel pool, referring to an abundance of eels in the Mersey. Liverpool was part of what we in Welsh call Yr Henogledd, the Old North, a region of Middle Welsh-speaking kingdoms. The land was lost to England in 937 after the Battle of Brunanburh, now Bromborough. Founded in 1207 when King John invited settlers, Liverpool remained a small fishing town overshadowed by Chester until 17th century trade with the New World began. By the 18th century it was Britain's leading slave port, its wealth built on slavery, privateering and trade. Profits funded grand docks and civic buildings, even as abolitionists like William Roscoe spoke out. By the early 19th century, Liverpool became a global maritime city, driving the Industrial Revolution, sending emigrants to America and hosting major shipping lines. Shaped by Irish and Welsh migration, it gained city status in 1880 and entered the new century as the second city of the empire, rich in culture, architecture and maritime heritage.
So the name of the city literally means the brown muddy pool, the pool that's the colour of liver. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, like today, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.